This slide will show a basic block diagram of digital computer. The principal unit of the digital computer is Central Processing Unit, which we call as CPU. CPU is comprised of two major parts. One is ALU, known as Arithmetic and Logic Unit. This unit performs all the arithmetic and logical operations on user data. In other words, it can manipulate the data. The other part is Control Unit, which supervises the flow of information between various units. It also generates the address signals and other control signals like read signal, write signal, etc. Data and instructions are stored in memory unit. CPU accesses the memory unit to get the instructions which tells the CPU what to perform next. The CPU performs the operation on the data retrieved from the memory. After the operation, the CPU sends the result back to the memory unit. Data and information can be sent to the memory unit by the user through the input device such as keyboard. Similarly, the generated result stored in the memory unit can be sent to the output device and the user can observe or get the output on it, such as monitor or printer. We observed that all these CPU, memory, input and output devices interact among each other to perform multiple tasks. So an interconnection unit is required to establish this communication. System bus is such an interconnection system. Address bus, data bus and control bus are different components of the system bus. Control unit of the CPU generates the address signal depending on whether it wants to access the memory unit or the input device or the output device. It also generates the control signals depending on whether it wants to read or write the data. In response to it, the addressed unit either provides the data to the CPU or takes the data from the CPU through the data bus. So this was a basic description how digital computer works.